Can I deposit a check in Wealthsimple? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I deposit a check into Wealthsimple? I know that a lot of you are looking for ways to invest your money, and Wealthsimple is a great platform to do that. But if you're like me, you may be wondering if you can also use it to deposit your paycheck or other checks. The short answer is yes, you can deposit a check into Wealthsimple. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. How to deposit a check into Wealthsimple. First, you need to link your bank account to Wealthsimple. This can be done by going to the banking tab in your Wealthsimple app or website. Once your bank account is linked, you can go to the Deposits tab and click on Add a Check. You will then be prompted to enter the amount of the check, the date it was issued, and the name of the person or company that issued it. Once you have entered this information, you will need to take a picture of the front and back of the check. Once you have taken a picture of the check, you will need to submit it to Wealthsimple. Once your check has been submitted, it will be reviewed by a Wealthsimple representative. If your check is approved, the funds will be deposited into your Wealthsimple account within 1 to 2 business days. You can only deposit checks that are made out to you. The check must be in US dollars. The check must be dated within the last 6 months. The check must be endorsed on the back. You can only deposit one check at a time. If you deposit a check that is over $5,000, you will need to provide additional identification. Benefits of depositing a check into Wealthsimple. It's a convenient way to deposit your check. You can access your funds immediately after the check is deposited. There are no fees associated with depositing a check into Wealthsimple. Drawbacks of depositing a check into Wealthsimple. It can take up to 1 to 2 business days for the funds to be deposited into your account. You need to provide additional identification if you deposit a check that is over $5,000. Overall, depositing a check into Wealthsimple is a great way to get your money into your investment account quickly and easily. However, there are a few things to keep in mind before you do. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're not already using Wealthsimple, I encourage you to check it out. Thanks for watching. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Wealthsimple, please click on the link below. You can find more information about how to deposit a check into Wealthsimple on their website. You can also find a list of frequently asked questions about Wealthsimple on their website. I would also like to add that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Please consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.